Welcome to our Latttice How to Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through creating an unstructured data product with transformations. Beginning on the pin board, select the Create Unstructured Data Product button. On Create Unstructured Data Product page, enter the name of your data product. Moving down to the description input bar, you are requested to describe the purpose and content of your unstructured data product. The final step in defining your data product is to move down to the Data Source input bar, select a data source from the list. Then select Continue. On Step 2, Analyze in creating your unstructured data product. Move down to the Analysis Query input bar and enter your query in natural language. Or select an example from the suggestions that load. Once your query is entered, select Analyze. Latttice will begin running your analysis query. When the analysis is completed, the content results will appear for you to preview in the Results pane. If satisfied, select the Preview and Finalize button at the bottom of the page. The next step in creating your unstructured data product is Step 3, Transform, where you can add any manipulation to your data product. In this example, we will add transformations. In the Data Transformation Query input bar, using natural language, begin defining how you want to transform your unstructured data product. Once completed, select the Apply Transformation button. Latttice will then begin the process of applying the transformation you requested to your unstructured data product. Once the transformation is applied, it will be noted in the Applied Transformation Results pane. You might then wish to review the content by selecting Content Preview in the navigation bar. The content will display for your perusal. If happy with the results, then select to move on to Step 4, which is Preview and Publish. You can preview content again, or select Summary, allowing you to create or alter the name, the description, the owner. You can review summary details. You can also add tags to your unstructured data product. The summary details are all things that make your unstructured data product discoverable. Finally, you can publish your unstructured data product to the pin board, where it can be discovered, used, and shared.